Hi, in this video I'll be showing you how to combine different Excel files, multiple Excel files, directly into Power BI. So you don't need to go to each Excel file, copy the data, paste it into one single file, and you have the data of 3 files into one. So to do it manually, you would have to go do copy paste. And imagine you had 20, 30, 40 files. So now what Power BI helps you with is you go to get data and you go to more, and now I have all three of these in a folder. So I'll just show you that folder. Let me just minimize this. 1 second. So I have this folder here which has 3 different files, as you see. So now when I go to browse, I will select Power BI combined files folder. I click on OK, I click on OK again, and now the Power Query window will open after this. But now I'll click combine and transform data. And what Power Query enables you to do is extract, transform, and then load data. So you're extracting data from particular source, you're transforming that particular data set, and then you're loading it into Power BI. So now I have 13 with me here, and just so you know that we have actually combined all the 3 different Excel files, I will show it to you in a second. Let me just open Power Query. Yeah, so here is Power Query that helps you to extract, transform, and load data. I go and click on load more, and you see that I have all 3 of my data sets here, 3 Excel sheets. And now that I go and click on annotate, and when I click on descending, you can see that I have data for 15 as well. And when I click on ascending, you see 13 again. Now what do you do to close this? You click on close and apply, and it will automatically load your data. So you've extracted the data from a folder that was named Power BI combined files. You transform the data in Power Query, and now you've loaded it into the fields option in Power BI desktop. Thank you. I hope you learned something new.